Good morning, this is FX Pathfinder from Market Traders Institute. In front of us we're using an MTI 4.0 charting software. Current date is 6/28/2012. Current time is 9:07 a.m. Eastern Time. In front of us is a Great British Pound US dollar daily time frame, which we can see overall long term the market's been in this consolidation range, which we've been tracking, bouncing between support and resistance. We go ahead and zoom out. You can see a bigger picture of the overall consolidation range, which makes trading pretty simple and it makes trading one-sided. Just look for buying opportunity up towards resistance. Now, for those of you who are getting a little more advanced as in trading and looking to trade the pullbacks, currently the Great British Pound US dollar daily time frame has been in a pullback. Now, just a couple of days ago, earlier this week, the market did close with a nice bullish candlestick formation at a level past resistance becoming support, which we were taught that the market has a very high percentage chance to rally towards the north. As we can see with yesterday's test, the market was unable to close below this red line, but today the market is well below the red line. We still need to wait till 6 p.m. Eastern Time to see if the market's going to go right back up, or if indeed we're going to close below this red line. The reason why I say that is if it closes below this red line, is a very high percentage chance it will continue on towards the south, back down to support. If it is unable to, it looks as if we're maintaining the consolidation range, and the consolidation range on the smaller time frames may have just grown a little bit more. We look at the 4-hour time frame. We have our up A, B, C, D swing with that counter trend line break. It looks as if the market just shifted channels, meaning that instead of the market making lower lows and lower highs right here, all the market did was break the down counter trend line, and now it's starting to make lower lows and lower highs over here, which we need to recognize the potential bearish takeover, which is already starting to take place. Now, one of the things that we're taught in the Ultimate Traders package from Market Traders Institute is we want to start our A, B, C, D swings from the most recent trend. Now, this most recent trend thus far, the market has shifted channels, which we're going to recognize right here. But instead of just drawing another down trend line, what we're going to do is just readjust this counter trend line to across the high before that took out before the lowest low thus far, lowest point in this trend. What I'm going to do is draw my down A, B, C, D swings from our capital B high to the first low, to left to the right, A to B, C pullback 618. D extension 1.618. One of the most beautiful things about trading Fibonacci's is take a look how this market, or take a look how the Fibonacci's can predict the D extensions pretty much to the pip, and then the market begins to pull back. Beautiful, beautiful movements. Here we go, right here. The market came down, hit the D extension right here, formed a nice low to the left and to the right, and we have C becomes A, D becomes B. A beautiful down A, B, C, D swing. Market pulls back. What a nice little 5-0 pullback. D extension is a 1.618. So what this is telling me as a trader is because the market shifted channels, it looks as if the bears are taking control here. Though we can recognize it's still just a bearish pullback, but until the market can break this downtrend line once again, the bears are in control, and I'm going to anticipate this market to continue to fall about another 87 pips to our 1.618 D extension unless the market takes out this downtrend line. So at this point in time, it makes trading really simple on the smaller time frames. Here's our 1 hour. Look how the market broke out of this consolidation. We were able to scalp this market a few times the last couple of days where we were just buying support, selling resistance. Yesterday we bought support, and then the market rallied up to a resistance. Around 2-3 o'clock this morning, the market began to reverse, and this is where we are currently at. So here, beautiful, beautiful movement thus far. Look how the market's already starting to break out of this trend, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And it looks as if the market is right now extending down towards the south, where it looks as if it's extending to try to fulfill that 80 pip bearish movement according to the 4-hour time frame. Well, this is what I see on the Great British Pound US dollar. Bears are in control. Unless the market takes out the downtrend line, I'm thinking bearish across the board. But on that note, students, every day, helping traders find a way. This is FX Pathfinder out.